What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today on Litecoin. Right now we're sitting at $176.43. And what I want to do, guys, I wanted to take a look at Litecoin here on the one-day time frame with you. And I want to do this as quick as possible so you get these key levels. You can put them in on your chart and really watch these levels, because this is what's going to be most important for Litecoin. And remember, whenever you're trading Litecoin, you always have to take a look at Bitcoin first and make sure Bitcoin's doing well. Otherwise, if Bitcoin takes a dump, it's going to bring Litecoin down regardless of how the pattern looks or whatever's taking place on the Litecoin chart. So always take a look at Bitcoin and then do your Litecoin charting. So let's dig into this here, guys. And also, if you get some from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's always appreciated. So on the one-day time frame here, there's a one-day candles for Litecoin. The most important thing that we can do right now is get over top of this red horizontal resistance line, and that's going to come in at about $188.46. That's where I got the most touches from, and that's going to be an area that's also correlating with the 200 moving average on the daily time frame. So that's acting as overhead resistance as well. If you guys take a look here, so if this is an area that we're able to get up through and we can actually break through this on heavier volume to the upside in the days to come here, that really can open up a nice window all the way up to about $233. And that was the previous area where we had a really huge pump and then we dumped. And it's also when we had that fake Litecoin news or whatever, we pumped up into that area and back down. But this has been such strong overhead resistance here, this whole level at about $190 is what we're going to call it, that if we're able to get over top of that in the next couple days, that could really get us a nice run up into about 233, we'd call it. And then if we're able to break over top of that, I would be looking up to that big round psychological number of 300. Now, we got a lot of work to do, guys. Like we said, we got to get up through this and turn it into support. And we also have to hold, I would say, as support, I would like to see us hold about $170 is going to be an area for us. Then it's probably going to be at about 165 are going to be the support areas we're looking at. If we take a look at our Cypher here, the money flow is in the green. VWAP's been moving to the downside here, but we have not crossed through the zero line. We're at 1.34. So what we want to see here, if we grab our little tool, we want to see this reverse off that zero line and start moving back to the upside there. We don't have any red dots, so no warning right now about price moving to the downside overall. We just have to continue to see if this is going to get that nice momentum, guys. That's the main thing that we want. We want that nice momentum on heavy volume to get us through these upper areas, which are going to be important for us. Now, something I wanted to point out to you here, if we go to the 1 week time frame and take a look. So on the 1 week time frame, as what we had here was basically a bullish piercing pattern candle, which is a nice bullish candle. And then if we can close like this today, later today, that'd be a nice candle close for us. That would be continuation, leading us into that $190 overhead resistance, seeing if we can get over top of that. If we take a look at our Cypher on the 1 week time frame here, VWAP is in the negative. It's at negative 2.13, excuse me, and we're seeing if we can get a nice cross to the upside there. So that would be good for us. Want to keep an eye on that. Guys, if we really step back here, you can see on the weekly chart, we are trading up above this 200 moving average. So definitely something we want to pay attention to. And then if we get into our technicals here, on the 1 day time frame, we have a 3 sell, a 10 neutral, and a 13 buy. Oscillators 1 sell, 9 neutral, and a 1 buy. Then our moving averages, because we're trading up above most there besides that 200, we have a strong buy with a 2 sell, 1 neutral, and a 12 buy. So really watch these areas, guys. Let's see if we can get this continuation for Litecoin. If you get some from these videos, these quick ones, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Have a wonderful Sunday. Take care, my friends.